World Health Organization. We'll be discussing about this in detail, but it's a non-political health agency. Understand, it's a non-political health agency of UN with headquarters at Geneva. One of the very important international organizations, this World Health Organization with headquarters at Geneva, has many activities to perform in the sector of health, in the sector of nutrition, right? So it came into force on 7th April 1948. Until then, WHO has performed many functions. It has helped the countries, its member countries, to focus on health of the people, to focus on nutrition of the people, to help the countries to eradicate certain diseases that have become now worldwide, for example cancer, for example AIDS. It has launched many programs to help the member countries to actually get rid of the malnutrition, to get rid of the sufferings, to get rid of the health issues. So I have listed few activities that WHO performs, and after this we'll also see what has WHO done for us, what does WHO actually do for us. So one of the activities, directing and coordinating authority. It acts as what? It acts as a directing and coordinating authority for all its member countries, so that with WHO and the member countries can perform their tasks in favor of the health of the people, to just promote health. And what is health? Health is the complete, you can say, complete well-being of a person. Physical well-being also, social well-being also, and mental well-being also. So WHO acts as directing and coordinating authority to promote health for all its member countries. It has many regional offices, and one of the regional offices of WHO is in Delhi. Then let's see next activity. It assists governments in strengthening health services. Okay, so it's going to help the government in strengthening health services. Cooperation with other specialized agencies. It also works with other agencies to promote health, to promote nutrition. It promotes and coordinates biomedical and health services research also. So not just focusing on the health and nutrition in the present scenario, it also focuses on biomedical and health services research. Then establishment of international standards in terms of health, in terms of nutrition, so that standards can be maintained. So all the member countries, they get benefit by joining WHO because of the activities that WHO performed, that are crucial for us, that are very beneficial for us. So now we will be discussing WHO in detail.